I don't think I've ever seen. You see it coming?
It's already on the bus.
Oh, I see it. There it is. I've honestly never seen someone run this crossing before. I'm not saying someone did. Wow, it's going pretty fast. I love how that gate always squeaks. Why isn't it honking yet? It's double yet. Never mind, it's not. It's double and single. They haven't changed it. It's next to say Gold Runner.
It'll take them a while to fix that.
Probably. Oh, the lights are all red now.
Okay.
Well, let's wait.